Okay, well, this is my second time on speech, and again, this is my friend Mari, and this is my friend too, Jiang Yan. So I'm gonna bring another speech about AI again. So thanks for coming. Okay, and so let's the speech begin. So imagine having instant access to all the information you need, processing vast amount of data in seconds. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the reality of AI today, and it is transforming the way we think. Today, I want to talk about how artificial intelligence influences human thinking. There's a growing fear that AI could make us less intelligent, particularly in areas like writing and problem solving. But as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, whether for school assignments or professional tasks, it's important to understand how it affects our mental processes. Is AI a threat to our intellect, or it is simply a tool that boosts our cognitive capabilities? As a computer science student, I have first-hand experience with AI's potential and its limitations. I've seen how AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace them. So, today I will first discuss the concerns surrounding AI, then I will provide examples of how tools like calculators and the internet have enhanced human thinking in the past. Next, I will explain how AI is not so different. And finally, I will show how the development of AI aligns with historical technological advancements in human cognition. Let's begin by discussing the concerns many people have about AI and its potential to make us less intelligent. So many people fear that AI, with its growing influence in education and the workplace, could reduce the need for human cognitive efforts. For instance, students using AI to complete assignments may not engage as deeply with the learning process, and employees might rely on AI for decision making, bypassing their own critical thinking. So, a recent Pew Research Center study revealed that 52% of Americans are concerned that AI could replace many jobs, leading to a loss of cognitive engagement. This represents a significant society fear that AI would do the thinking for us. However, these concerns fail to account for the history of technological advancements that initially caused similar fears, but ultimately enhance human intelligence. History shows that new technologies often raise concerns about cognitive decline, but in reality, they serve to augment our mental capabilities. Take, for example, the use of calculators in schools. When calculators were first introduced in classroom, many educators feared they would diminish students' ability to do math. However, studies have shown that calculators help students to focus more on complex problem solving rather than spend excessive time on basic uh, arithmetic. The internet was also initially seen as a tool that would discourage deep thinking, as students could quickly look up answers rather than analyze information on their own. However, it has since become a tool that enhances research and critical thinking, providing access to vast amount of information, then spark new insights. Throughout the history, every major technological advancements have raised concerns about impact on human cognition. From the printing press to the personal computer, people have worried that these tools will replace human thinking, but they have always enhanced our abilities to learn and create. The law of new technologies suggests that humans do not lose their cognitive abilities, but rather adapt to using new tools for more efficient thinking. As AI continues to evolve, it will enable us to shift our focus from repetitive tasks to more creative and strategic thinking. As we enter the AI era, it's essential to understand how our thinking process will evolve in response to these tools. AI is already transforming industries from healthcare to finance by providing us with tools that enhance decision making. These changes will undoubtedly affect how we think, but we will enhance our ability to think critically and creatively. In healthcare, AI helps doctors analyze medical data more quickly and accurately, enable them to focusing on providing personalized care rather than manual analysis. And also in education, AI-driven tools like adaptive learning system can provide personalized feedback to students, allowing them to think more deeply about their learning processes. Okay, in conclusion, we must understand that AI is a tool that can enhance our cognitive abilities, not replace them. So, in a nutshell, while AI is certainly transforming how we process information, solve problems, it is not replacing human thoughts like calculators and the internet before it. AI is an essential tool that enhances our thinking. We are entering a new era where our cognitive ability are amplified, not diminished. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as an opportunity to engage with more complex, creative tasks that push the boundary of human potential. Thanks for listening and watching. This is the end of my persuasive speech. So you guys show up again and let's let it end it. Okay. Thank you for listening. That's all.